Madam Speaker, I wish to thank Honourable Member for asking that question. Madam Speaker, as you may have recalled from my ministerial statement on Monday, that this is the first time government is providing additional grant on top of the normal grant to some of the municipal council to deal with drainage issue in the urban area. Madam Speaker, you may note that while the urban ratepayers pay for use of urban facilities, but the users are not only urban ratepayers, but also rural people as well. And therefore, it creates a bit of a burden on the urban municipal councils to deal with all the issues with the defined revenue stream that they have. So in light of that, for the first time, government decided that in the 2017-18 budget reallocation, they will provide appropriations for most of the municipal council to deal with specifically the drainage issue, in particular the negative effects of flooding that happens there. So if we are able to fix the drain to a large extent, it'll remove the issue of flooding. Madam Speaker, as noted by the Honourable Member, Honourable Politini, 1.3 million was provided to the municipal councils, and the amount provided depended on the size of the municipal council and the nature of problems that they face. Madam Speaker, you will note when I read out the amounts that were given to the municipal council, that will reflect the kinds of problems that they face. For example, the Rekiriki Town Council received $212,000. The highest was to Nasunu Town Council, $476,000. The second highest was Nini Town Council, $352,000. And the third highest was Rekiriki, $212,000, Madam Speaker. So, Madam Speaker, the amount there reflects the nature of problems that these municipal councils are facing and the size. So, the highest, Nasunu Town Council, it is a pretty large area, and unfortunately, the kinds of ratepayers that you face there is not really a healthy ratepayer in the sense of payment. So that's why such amount has been allocated to the Town Council to ensure that we are able to assist the Town Council in dealing with these drainage problems there. And the second highest, Madam Speaker, Nini Town Council, as you know, a very important town, one of our upcoming towns would become probably city soon, and quite widespread, and you often hear in media about the issues, problem there, faced there by the town boundary. Therefore, they were given $352,000. And of course, in Rekiriki Town, this amount of $212,000 is in addition to the dredging work that we will be undertaking for those two rivers there. So this basically specifically deals with constructing new drains or converting the underlying drains into open drains, cleaning it up, desilting, Madam Speaker. Then we have got the smaller towns like Tawa Town Council was given $12,290. Bar Town Council was given $32,000. Lotoka was given $40,000. Sungotoka was given $32,000. Nausori was given $80,000, $80,847. Lambasa was given $48,000. Sabsabu $21,000, and Levuka Town Council was given $15,000. Madam Speaker. So, Madam Speaker, we had a meeting with all the leaders of the town council, municipal councils, and followed by a signing of the agreement that this grant will be provided on an acquittal basis. So you can do the work, give us the acquittals, and we will release the grant immediately. In some cases where there was some cash flow issues, we have provided grants earlier on for them to start the work. We have also had a training of staff from this municipal council, dedicated staff who would be responsible to dealing with this money and ensuring that all the paperwork are in place, Madam Speaker. Now, Madam Speaker, the following town councils has called tenders, have taken quotations for the drainage work, and they have finalized the award of contractors. Nani Town Council, Nasunu Town Council, Rekiriki Town Council, Lamasa Town Council, Sabsabu, Singtoka, and Suri. So they have awarded contracts. On the other hand, the 40 municipal councils have done the groundwork and have the capacity to undertake in-house drainage and maintenance work, so they will be using their own staff and the machinery that they have to undertake the work. These are Lautoka City Council, Bar Town Council, Tawa Town Council, Levuka Town Council, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, in addition to that, we have got the following town council where work has already commenced, and these are Lautoka City, Singotoka, Rekereki, and Asino. Madam Speaker, the slow progress in getting this out, even though we gave out the grants about 2 months ago, is because of the weather condition. Madam Speaker, we don't want to do, call them again, contractors saying that, this hasn't been done well, etc. We don't want the work to be hampered by the weather condition, so we decided that if the weather is bad, stop the work, wait till weather settles down, and then we undertake the work, so that there's no repeat work or the contractor doesn't come back and say that we've done the work and we want additional money to do any remedial work, Madam Speaker. So, Madam Speaker, the progress is that 4 town councils have already begun work, and the others have given out contractors, or they've got their own people to start the work. Thank you.